What is going on, traders? I hope you all killed it on Friday and had a great weekend. Before we get into today's video, I'd just like to let everyone know that our Black Friday deal has started. Our monthly memberships are $49.99 a month, and our yearly subscription went all the way down to $299 for the year subscription, 12 months. If you'd like to take advantage of it, the link is in the bio. Let's get into today's video. So I ended up taking two trades on Friday, guys, with my small account. I ended up hitting calls around 449.91. As soon as we broke under 450, I started a call position. It went all the way down to our next key level, 449.45, and this is where I doubled down my position, guys. I was able to leave here with profit. That was the first trade. The second trade I took with my bigger account, guys. I made just over $2,000 on the previous close. The gap fill reversal. I ended up hitting puts exactly at 450.23, and those printed immediately. The second trade I ended up taking with my small account. If you look on the 30-minute, this is exactly what I was seeing. I came back to my computer. I was looking at the candles, guys, and we had a shooting star candle right on our key level at 451.19. I ended up alerting puts live on the Discord to the Discord, and those ended up hitting right here, okay? So I ended up getting this play. And obviously, I did not hold this long. I sold in the first candle. But the small account, guys, we ended the week strong. I made over 156 USD. So my account went from $3,000 Canadian. I started, guys, to it was 2,200 USD. We are currently sitting at 63.61 Canadian and 4,600 USD. And this has been done in 2 weeks live in the Discord and on YouTube. So that's what we ended up doing. I don't think I could ever redo this, guys. It's been one lucky 2 weeks, to be honest. To be able to double an account in that short of a period of time doesn't happen often, okay? So I don't plan to make these type of gains moving forward, but I've been roughly doing around 200 plus USD a day. So I'm extremely grateful. The charts has been playing to the key levels, to the absolute T. So we're doing very well there. So when it comes to tomorrow and for the rest of the week, what are we going to be doing? I'm going to be keeping close eye on the previous close, guys. I'm going to make this line for you right here. So we ended up closing at 450.79. So 450.79. As you guys know, I always like to, sorry, hold on a second. I always like to make my lines different, the previous close different, especially the gaps that are left on the chart. I make it a dotted line, I make it a little bigger, and also make it red. So we know that this is the previous close. This gap right here has been filled. Once it gets filled, I just put it right back to blue. So all eyes are going to be on 450.79. We've been having very, very tough resistance at the previous gap that we had on SPY at 451.19. This is another level to be watching, guys. Once we make 451.19 support, we are going to rip to 452. Once we make 452 support, we are probably going to be going up to 453 to the 455 mark. So just keep an eye on that. I am not bullish at these levels, but we do have room to run. So keep that in mind. I do not like buying calls this high, but I'm going to be paying very close attention to my high key levels, whether we act as a support or a resistance. So pretty much going into tomorrow, previous close, put that in your chart right now, 450.79. That's the major level I'm watching. The level just above that is going to be 451.19. This is looking to be one of the best positions to do puts at. So I'm not telling you to do puts at that level, but that's the level I'm going to be watching. I will most likely be hitting puts at 451.19. To the lower level, I'm going to be watching 450. 450 is a key psychological level for SPY. If you see this act as a support like it did yesterday, you see how we were making a roof here, guys, and we kept selling off. But we also had a key level at 449.45 where we made a floor, this level. And look what happened when we made this a floor. We broke through 450, we came back down where we retested it, and that's where we ran. So we want to have all eyes on 450 in case we end up losing the previous close. I don't know if we're going to gap up or down, so keep in mind, I live stream every day, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern time on YouTube, live for free, guys. I'll be giving you the pre-market updates, guys, the game plan that I plan to be moving forward with during market hours. And just whatever's on my mind. So keep in mind, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m., I will be live on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Put the notification bell on, and do not miss it, because I will be giving the game plans that I am playing. Every trade I end up taking, guys, they're always pre-planned. I tell my Discord this. I tell the viewers this. Every trade I entered is a pre-planned trade. So I already know my entry and my exit, where I'm going to take profit and where I am going to stop out and where I'm going to enter before I even enter the trade. I highly recommend everyone uses this, because it will save you. It will save you a lot of money, guys, and it will make you more profitable. So you're not randomly just buying in, not at a key level, playing shapes. Stick to a game plan from the pre-market and play that strategy. If that level that you are trying to play does not hit, do not trade. So that is it, guys. Remember, Black Friday sale, link is in the bio, guys. Take advantage of it. We're only letting 150 people in. Only 50 yearly and 100 monthly. So keep that in mind, guys. And this deal ends on Saturday morning. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys for taking your time to watch these videos. If you would like to ask me any question, leave in the comments below, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care.